more Minecraft, but not yet. I'm gonna be showing you. I know it's time. Like you really want that right here. You got them. So you can buy this in the mall in the Philippines every time you want, but the virus is still here. So you might want to buy it for sale. And I'll go to and I'll see you guys in Minecraft. Hey guys, I just opened up Minecraft. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make your own secret base. So I'm gonna be showing you my secret base. And then you see my beautiful house right here. I made it. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna need to show you my secret base. I don't want to, but I have to. So we're gonna need to close the door. Yeah, why would we not close the door? And we're gonna see here. You see this lever, and you see this. Boom! Secret base time. Oh my gosh, it's there. So I'm gonna be showing you how. You know what? I'm not gonna be revealing my secret. I'm gonna be showing you how. Okay guys, so let's go outside and I'm gonna be showing you how. So we're gonna need some wood, and then we're gonna need a lever, redstone, and some sticky pistons. So we just make a wall like right here. And then you want to like you make another, like you make something like this, and then you keep on doing this again, and then you're gonna see something pop out. So we're gonna need to get some pistons like this, and get some oak wood. And we're gonna need, wait, what? Okay, that's not right, I guess. Oh yes, okay. So we put this thing here, and then we're gonna need some wood, and then if you guys can see, the lever will be right here. So click the lever. We're gonna need some redstone. Boom. And then we're gonna need to put something up there. And then wait. Okay. And so we put this thing. We put this thing here, and then one here, one there, and then look what will happen. It will come out. So look. So, and if you want it to be covered, you're gonna need to get any kind of block you love, and then cover it around, and then that's your secret base. So I have to do this in the flat world because that's my favorite. And then if you want to look at it, you can make a roof for this. Boom. And there, no one will see it, no one will discuss the thing. And your secret base is fully world. Look. See? That's one way to make a secret base. And now, and I guess, and let's go to another kind of way for a secret base. So we're gonna need a lava pit, and we're gonna need some science. And we're gonna need some water, and that's all the materials. This is a very simple way. So we can't actually do this in a flat world. Yeah, we can't actually do this in a flat world. What? Why am I so silly? Oh yeah, we're gonna use some. So if we can make this on a flat world, we're gonna use some concrete instead. Boom, 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 boom. So boom, oh, boom, oh. Boom, 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 boom. And then I'm gonna keep on making this. I'm gonna be making this, and I'm gonna keep on making this, and then I'm gonna be on seeing you. No, I'm just kidding. So if you want this to be like a big secret base, I'm making it a small one for you to understand it. So this one doesn't need anything at all. This thing doesn't need any pistons, anything, and this is no mods. So you have to. So this thing would be really good. So this thing would be the best. So this is one of my favorites, but the most favorite one is the piston one, because there's so many stuff. So after this we're gonna need to put some signs. So when lava comes here, nothing can come in. So that's why we need to put signs all around here. And then we're gonna need some lava. Wait! No! This is not supposed to happen. This is not supposed to happen. Nope. Stop flooding. Stop flooding. Please. Okay, guys, that's a mistake. That's not supposed to be happening. That was not supposed to be happening. What is going on in this site? What the heck? I forgot. What? So there, and then actually, I don't know. This happened last time. It will fall down there. I don't know what's gonna happen. Okay, so let's just skip. That's not done. Okay, so that's the first. So only one was going to the secret base, and then we're gonna be ending right now. I hope you guys liked that video. If you did, smash the like button and also the subscribe button, and we'll see you guys next time.